So the reason why what we do is actually really simple once you start to pick up on everything, like the Katy Perry song, When I'm Gone, I'm Never Really Gone. And of course, the Antichrist returns from a deadly wound, but did live. When he's gone, he's never really gone. And we know that he won't really, that it'll be a false flag event. The deadly right eye wound will be a false flag event. But we also know he returns, and that's how he's able to return. It's not because he actually rose from the dead. And don't get me wrong, the whole world's going to be handed over to it, just like most of the world believes everything they see. So, anyway, watch the big hint here. When I'm Gone, I'm Never Really Gone, Katy Perry song. Here it is. Again with James Bond, again shown at the Oscars.
Bond, I need you back.
I never left.
He never left. You get it? When he's gone, he's not really gone. Just like Palpatine. But Palpatine's dead. No, he's alive. Cloning, dark science, secrets only the Siths knew in the final Star Wars movie. All the world's a stage. They're always giving you everything in their predictive programming. You just have to know how to view it, how to understand it, and what to look for. After that, it's really pretty simple stuff.